Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting unboxing and demonstration of the WL12D wireless anemometer and logger by Navis. Let's dive right in. Let's start by unboxing the display box. First, we have the user manual for the display unit. This manual provides all the necessary instructions for setup and operation. Next, we have the included memory card. And here we have the long SMA antenna, which ensures a robust and extended range of up to 1000 meters. Now, for the main display unit. It has a large, night illuminated LCD display, perfect for viewing data at any time. Let's move on to the sensor. Carefully packaged, it includes everything we need to get accurate wind measurements. We also have a dedicated user manual for the sensor. It's always a good idea to go through these manuals for optimal usage. And here is the sensor. This is the heart of our anemometer, measuring wind speed, direction, and temperature. Next, let's attach the antenna to the display unit. This will ensure our device can communicate over long distances. Now, let's turn on the display unit. Simply press the power button, and we're ready to go. Upon powering up, the screen shows us the wind direction, speed, and temperature in real time. Let's give the wind sensor a manual rotation. As you can see, the display updates immediately, showing the direction accurately. Now, rotating the speed sensor by hand, we can see the wind speed change on the screen. Here's a quick demo. Placing the sensor in front of an AC unit, we can see the wind direction and speed accurately reflecting on the screen. Notice how the display responds immediately to changes in airflow, providing real-time updates. This feature is particularly useful for verifying the accuracy and responsiveness of the sensor in various conditions. The display unit also allows for easy configuration of settings like time, date, day, sensor address, and wind speed units. The wind speed unit is in meters per second, and the temperature unit is in Celsius. You can easily navigate through the menu to make these adjustments according to your specific needs. This flexibility ensures that the device can be tailored for optimal performance in any environment, providing you with precise and reliable data every time. Once we're done, turning off the device is just as easy. Simply press the power button again. For more information and to get your own, visit our website. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews and unboxings. Thanks for watching.